Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hey everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to buy real estate with credit card. This is a question that some of you have asked, and I'm here to give you guys this information. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So how to buy real estate with credit cards. Liquidating your credit card limit into cash is really ideal on how you can buy real estate with credit cards. So by doing that, you can purchase a high value item with your credit card through a merchant account. So a high value item could be such as a product, a digital product, which is most likely ideal. You can order multiple products, or you can order a product in bulk through a merchant account. Now, I suggest doing this with a business partner or someone that you trust that may have a merchant account, because after you purchase with the merchant account, you will need to be in contact with them. So you probably will want to do something with someone that has a merchant account if you don't have one on your own. Once the funds are cleared and ready to deposit into your bank account, because you purchased this digital product and now the funds are in that merchant account. So once those funds are clear, it usually takes a couple of business days, then it should deposit into that merchant account owner bank account, which should be yours or a person that you can trust. Then once you deposit into that bank account, you withdraw the cash like any other account that you may have. It's the same way of withdrawing the cash. Take that cash and use it to fund your real estate deal or buy real estate or whatever you're doing in real estate. Now, this works best with credit cards that are 0% for the first 12 months and beyond. You want to make sure the cash event fees are little to none as possible when doing this, because remember, this is credit, so it's still borrowed money. This is called OPM, using other people's money, and this is the way to do it if you have those high credit cards. However, to get the best out of doing this method, you want to do it with less fees. So making sure that you can get little to none fees as possible will make this work better, and you can continue on doing this as well. Okay, or you can get yourself into a lot of debt if you just do it with high interest rates on the credit card. That can get yourself in a lot of debt, so be careful. Okay, so also make sure you are in a great position with the current real estate deal. So I don't recommend doing this until you know for sure you're going to get into a real estate deal, or you have a real estate deal coming up, or you're in business with somebody else that does real estate. If you're brand new to real estate, then this may not be the best method. You may want to get in with someone that is familiar with real estate, and you may be a second partner, and you may have to come up with the funds on your own. This is a great way to come up with the funds on your own as well. If you don't have the cash flow, you can do it with your credit cards. If you're a person that has high limit credit cards, you can do that with your high limit credit cards. Okay, remember, you are still borrowing cash. I want to keep in mind, even though I'm making this video and giving you guys some methods on how you can buy real estate with credit cards, it's still credit, right? It's still other people's money. So we're not trying to go into debt. We're trying to liquidate our credit to make passive income and more income for us, right? Okay, so you will need to pay this back. This is revolving credit, which is also great. So you can do this as many times as you want if your first one goes well. But it depends on the person. Some people use this as a stepping stone, and then once they get the cash, they do it with the cash that they made from that real estate deal once they pay off the credit card that they liquidated. So it's up to you guys, but this is just a method that I want to bring to you guys as my viewers. So this is a common method in real estate game when people try to liquidate their credit cards, and people get multiple credit cards. They stack up on their credit cards and stack up on their limits and liquidate it to buy real estate. So this is a common method in the game, but you must do it with the people that are trustworthy. Okay, so This is why it's very important to link up with someone that knows the real estate game, right? Best merchants accounts in 2021. So I'm just going to go over a couple of merchants accounts that are available that can possibly be a merchant of your own. Clover is a great one. Chase, Payment Depot, Fat Merchant, and National Processing. Always check the fees for these processing merchant account payment services because they do have fees as well. So always check the fees. Always make sure that these fees is something that you can do. Don't try to do this and take the chance to do this process and do this method, and you're actually going to be ending up with not a lot of profit, or you're not going to be ending up with a lot of capital to use for the real estate deal. So always check the fees and see if this merchant is for you. Okay, because fees play a big part in the total amount of cash you will actually have for this real estate deal. Usually it's 2 to 4%. So always check the fees and see if it makes sense to you. Helpful tips. So some banks allow you to write checks with your credit card. This is another method that you guys can do. This is different from what I just explained, but I wanted to put it out there. I found this information very useful and I wanted to give it to you guys. Okay, you will need to ask if you can provide checks with the credit card, and this is how you can find out if your lender allows you to write checks with your credit card. Wells Fargo Business Credit Card has interest fees starter checks, so you can do it with them if you have a Wells Fargo business account. I recommend doing this method with your business credit cards unless you have a 30 to 60 day real estate deal closing or coming up or in the works during this period, because you want to avoid any high utilization on your personal credit, and your personal credit could drop in case your deal doesn't go through and you're unable to pay back this credit that you borrow. So I recommend doing this with the high business credit cards. Now, if you do this with your personal credit, please make sure you have someone on the other side that for sure is going to get this real estate deal going and the transaction will go through. Because remember, this is borrowed cash that you have. Now, if you don't use the cash, you can always, pay it back. But remember, you have to pay extra because we have processing fees. And so just please make sure, you have something going before you do it all. Because time is of the essence in this particular situation. So you cannot do this with PayPal, Stripe, or Square merchants because they consider this as a cash advance. So if you try to do it as a cash advance, they sometimes either flag your account or they will charge you a high percentage of fees. So I wouldn't do it with PayPal, Stripe, or Square. I would do it with other merchants accounts that I mentioned, or you can do your further research. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on OnlyFans, where we discuss tips and hacks that we can't post on YouTube at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.